Modern day and the wonders of modern day medicine. Oh yes. You see, growing up, uhoro wigie mirimu was a challenge since independence. Acio na thirikari ya ina maundu maigana
matatu
ya Kenyatta after independence. Ilikuwa serikali ya kupigana na magonjwa. Ilikuwa serikali ya kupigana na ujinga. The other one was what? There was magonjwa, poverty, illiteracy, and disease. It was that basic. Illiteracy was one of the things. He has since worked on that over the ages. No, hivyo tuikurari. Thibitari iria twathiaga kuheo kindu gitagwo medical care. Twamenya ati thibitari ni departments amwe tutoka Nairobi.
Twagimara.
Yes. You see, gori ndagitari akorwo ari umwe na matuko maria okaga. And actually most of us ungeka research ucoke baragi nyori, you will realize that in your heydays you were never treated by a doctor.
Actually, gicunje kinene kia makiria ma 90%.
Yes.
Onini ni wa ori.
Yes.
They were never attended by a doctor.
Oh, no. You see, the doctor would always be seen at the general
hospital.
Yes. With tremendous respect to clinical officers.
Yes.
Then there were very few.
No, there were not many. On a facilities stiare nyingi. No, dagitari umekuwa guka dispensary.
You see, we had home remedies
before going to
the dispensary. Yes. Actually, I get a medical apparatus to amiona turia koromuno. Because you used to walk into the doctor's office, which was just one. Warrior room we get to kwa dagitari na gwasida
no.
Bas. Period.
Ne dispensary.
Yes. Uri okora ati thikuci wathie thibitari wamba guthie handu wetagwo triage. Yes. Ikatamka go triage kana ne triage kana ne triage.
Triage.
I think it's triage. Ha oya gido kindu gitagwo vital.
Ukamba ugathimwo ritu.
Yes.
Uraihu.
Ukarorwo temperature.
Pressure.
Kwezi kwa ile temperature ya guthima tong. Kanyama katu akora na corona. Get temperature gun.
Temperature gun.
Then everything was physical. Yes. Kaitare wale hori. Wabako utio thithi.
Akahutia thithi aigue kana we muhiu.
Ugacoka kero fungura ifungo igire cia shati. Ukahutio da. That was the thermometer. Thermometer tuamiona from something mafukuine. Yes. Stethoscope.
Ai.
Tuamiona mafukuine ma donation.
Na mukari gwehuthikaga atia?
Yes. Actually ona kungiatwekire ati ni urarifairwo uratwaro kuruta Kenyatta. Gucokio report ati urathimirwo na kanyamu ya guthikiriria ngoro. People would well.
Te guthikiriria ngoro.
Ati arekirite headphone.
Arekirite nyamu cia matu.
Yes.
Gaka ngeraigirira ngoro.
Yes. Kahehu. Ayole, kiana istorara they don't fear that thing.
Asa.
Ito tonata are sidano.
Ona ni ungiemakeire muno.
Yes.
Ukinyite that level ya ndagitari guthikiriria ngoro.
No kwaja aguthikiria no aroga expression yake othio muno.
Ukamenya ngande jerekeire guthi.
Ukaguga gikande guthi Sayuni. No, maundu mamwe rogo gutiari. No ndagitari na gwasida no.
Bas.
Period.
Ukainuka.
Ati wigwate kwena department ya phlebotomy. Ati kwena venipuncture. Kwaja andu mangiathie rwo dispensary kwage utungata waku. Urifaiwo. Gutwike andu mugete twatiga gekirwo raini. Ati
urongererwo mai.
Yes. some despots would start looking for firewood for your machakaya.
And you know, kaundu very basic.
Yes.
Origitani.
It's very basic.
No,
venipuncture to fill bottom department. Ni hale modo rutagirwo okay. Akame. Yes. Ajere aigei to twarutu thakame turi agima.
Muno.
Yes. No ndagitari akoragwo wa kuria. Wauga umete ku. Kwanyu ni ku.
Ni akarengo.
Akarengo. Akundu ku ni ukoto kwina malaria. Muhenda cia malaria.
Na karekia nawe.
You see, triage no mundu aragirio atiriri. What are some of the allergies you have? Medicine interaction. Lugogo, we were allergic to nothing.
Nobody would even ask you.
They would not ask you.
Ni uri allergy akina.
Ni uguthe malaria ikomi wone dim.
Wone maluduludu.
Wone maluduludu. Hende wa betoka gutho ro APC rwaruo. Na jabati kere.
Jabati kere.
Na dawa iho yariho. Even you had the slightest wound. It was like a tattoo. Yeta go GV.
Ni anyitaga.
Kwaka ina kehuti. Wa motagwo.
GV.
Yes. It was even the mama modern day medicine to monera oku. Nyairovi.
Na tuli andu agima.
Yes. You would never kwa jogewi ati mundu arathie Nairobi bisa.
Itondu nacio thibitari cia roko ri. Kindu kwanja kindu ta X-ray was unheard of.
That department. Either what that department.
What
radiation. Radiology
department.
Radiology was unheard of.
No, icio nä indo wathia rä u thibita the present day level 5.
Yes.
County referral hospital.
Cietagwo
general hĩndĩ ĩyo.
You would move around with your fracture for a week. Wetereirie ugathi gwikwo X-ray. Na mbica icio cia X-ray wacirora ukona no gutobora. I know they would not care to explain to you.
No, they wouldn't.
Muciari meraga guko wake ni wona anio anyukiire.
Ndona no le fracture.
Oru ni waihiga. Riu kwacha wekiro ihiga wakinya rugongo. You used to be like a museum. People would come to wow. Mone the ihiga riu. Yes.
Vasco da Gama in town.
Yes. Maka uda kokoko. No, that way. Physiotherapy was
that one was unheard of.
Yes.
Even indo ta CT scan twacigua way later.
No, CT scan from who? Ona general itakiri. Maundu mari ma Kenyatta. Yes. CT scan. Hatu roko bagiwe te athie kurwo mbica ya mutwe.
Ya.
Ithuĩ apparatus ĩrĩa tuonaga ya ndagĩtarĩ wathie dispensary no cindano na karamu
bas.
Yes. Ona tũrũbaũ tũtũ mũndũ ekĩragwo rũrĩmĩ ha akorora ngai. We never used to see them.
Eragwo thamia kanua.
Thamia haya. Ndagĩtarĩ nĩoragia ciũria imwe ũkaigua honestly your mother is lying. Ndagĩtarĩ oria atĩrĩrĩ ira nĩ ũrarĩire. Kwakauga nĩ ararĩire.
Ukimenyaga wega.
You
haven't.
Kĩo ndagĩtarĩ uga atĩrĩrĩ mwana ũyũ ũrĩ ũguo ndamuona rĩ nĩ mũkore mũmũheage nyama nĩ kwakĩũria na ciume kũ.
Ithuĩ ene nĩ tũrĩte.
Na mũngĩhota kũmũheaga ini rĩ athĩnjĩirwo nũ.
Nĩguo ndagĩtarĩ
nĩ tũrĩkaga guo.
Salai.
Na mũmũheage matunda no mũmuonere matunda ma beetroot. Muno maya ma thakame
nĩ ngũgera gĩathĩ.
na mariguri mwari ndari mugatiga merue pio magie manyaganyaga mukamuhemo na mutiga na ndekwenda utio curu sawa twanyitana muno animal protein iyo niyo ndakwira horo wayo no anyita animal protein muciari no anyita ne nyama na ini na nguku mungihota niko akauga niguo ndagitari
ugerie we ocemo ni mucukani
yes
uthi urie maitugu ate ndagitari ugire urugirwo nguku
atireko ini
who are you ona thoguo ni etagia ini
utatandikwa leo magonjwa yako ya takataka
thoguo ni etagia ini nigetha wetie we
ndagitari ni thoguo ndagitari ucio ri ini riu ni atune yindwa nayo dawa
urona ini guku we niko urona ini
urathijirwo nguku iriku yukirio matumbe munene uyu tonu arwara kariwe wa mbere
onduragia githeri
ndagitari augire ndiage nyama
uguthii kwi ndagitari ucio ri uriage kuo
na takwenda ikaigire githeri kiu no you would actually that is where some of us decided we want to be doctors. Most of us never became. So do I imagine I call it area maundu macio very casually. They must be eating those.
Ni maundu moya ine.
Yes.
Ndagitari ugire heo ini. Uguthi gwake
ucuru wake ni mwekiraga iria
tiga iria ona cukari
uguthagwo cumbi ucenjie flavor
kana igata
mumwikagire iria ucuru-ini ni undu ena malnutrition kanini na riria moruga mariguri mukamurugagira maya ma gukima nigetha at least ecokerie ki niwe tukurugia kana mwana gukimiru so who are you unless the doctor gave an ultimatum wa kunayo kina ni ugwitwo waria wathiri ndagitari ucio eko ciana ciake cikara oguo
gwake ni guikara gwe
I want to be a doctor na mutikamurutagie wira muingi to ne ona kana ona exhaustion ni ramutengeria ndamona uguo no ngatuagira nyatuma orui riu ni mukwa mukie mawira mamwe ambe acokaniririe mwiri ucio tathie roi rigithia saitani cio wina cio ndokue togothike
no kanihaniha
thie roi ukue
ndagitari araugire nie ndikarete mwiri ndigithia mawira mamwe
uguthie uthamire kuu kwa ndagitari uriku
ucio
yes
kugu tarutagwo wira ri uthamire kuo
na ndungiconoka mukami no you would wish that there would be that kind of life na mwahota ri itumbĩ rĩa mũtherũkio rĩmwe pandi onawe nĩwamenya atĩrĩrĩ ai doc pulo
iyo
funke namenya taile halimoni parangui
itumbĩ rĩa mũtherũkio
you see you would even go back to the lineage ũkorwo na guka guo ndarĩ aitu
ona gitanga kiria we itura ria nyuri gutiriagwo matumbi uguo sebuse wewe
na mwahota ri tondu muno ndona situation yake tijego uguo na muciini murekereirie muno wakira nyukwa githongerwo ni murekereirie muno
uria kurekereirie malnutrition
muona mahindi ma thubu ri atherũkagĩrio akanyua thrice per week especially oxtail ndagitari nĩ ndaigua nĩ tũrĩkaga ũguo no there are some things you would know
hiyo nayo
hiyo ni kuwekelea
ona mũhĩrĩga ũngĩcokanĩrĩra
nĩwamenya hiyo ni kuwekelea Arsenal ayo kana ndagitari augire atherũkagĩrio mahĩndĩ ma thubu we mũciari
Yaya na 54. Dhahabu